Alright, so welcome to my largely unprofessional graphics card thermal paste removal guide. Almost all the other guides I saw out there either had shit music or shit video quality, so I'm just gonna do this myself. It won't be edited because I hate editing. It's just a pain. Yeah, I really don't like... Oh, well. First mistake. 1 out of 1. Not bad. You're supposed to remove these from the opposite corners and equal tension just a little bit so that you go, or so that it releases the tension equally. But I messed up, and considering I'm already unprofessional, I might as well keep going. It's only 350 bucks, am I right? He says, crying inside silently. Also, after I take these off, I'm going to go ahead and give you a quick look at just how ridiculous this setup is filming right now. Okay, so if you go ahead and, it's going to be loud, isn't it? But you take a look. Yep, that's what we're dealing with. And then down there is the card, and then rubbing alcohol there. Let me just, oh, it's going to be a nightmare putting this back, isn't it? It's never going to be the same. Whatever. Well, let's keep going. You've got to identify the screws that actually hold this thing onto the card itself. It should be that one, that one, that one, that one over the center GPU, and then this one, and this one. Yeah, let's go with that. This isn't a fun game. I don't like it. I should have been more professional. It's a game of discovery. Don't forget to remove this right here, the fan header, because that would just be really disappointing if you went to go take it off and it was still stuck on there. Yeah, we're actually going to have to take all of these off. Okay, that's fine. Always keep track of your screws, and I recommend getting a bowl or a little cap like this for smaller screws. Oh my god. The hands of a crack addict. Unfortunately, this cooling solution is much more robust than the stock one, or even a lot of aftermarket ones, so it's held down in a lot of different places, unlike the Wind Force, which only has the 4 main screws and then the rest of it stays on. Yeah. Such an adventure. Okay. All these are held down with little retaining springs to keep the tension. And like I said, try to keep it opposite corners. Yep, that just happened. Oh my god. I hope nobody ever watches this. Can hear pretty much everybody walking around downstairs. Okay, there we go. Sorry, I'm just taking a good look at it. You rarely get to actually see these things. They're always so hidden. There's 4 more tiny screws on this side, which I conveniently have another cap for. Just in case you couldn't see, I'm unscrewing tiny screws from the back I/O shield, I guess. Yeah, who knows? The back thing with the ports. You may as well stop watching now. I'm just going to be looking at this for a little bit. In fact,